Hello my jigsaw friends, Phil here, and today's jigsaw, battery's about to go. Start again, back again. Hello my jigsaw friends, Phil here, and the jigsaw I'm going to do is this Impossible Marvel jigsaw. Got it for my birthday a couple of years ago, so I've already done this once and enjoyed it that much. I kept it, and it's time for me to do it again. This is a 1,000-piece jigsaw by Clementoni, an Italian jigsaw company. It's Marvel, big fan, so I would have kept this anyway. And now there's so many Marvel series about, I recognise I recognise most of these characters now. Before, I just did it and got, who's that? You know, obviously from the comics I'd not read, because I used to read the comics when I was a kid as well. Wish I kept them with a bob or two now. But anyway, I'm recognising lots more. There's still some I don't know, so I look forward to the Marvel universe coming out with them. So I'm going to try and do this a little differently to my usual way of making jigsaws. I'm going to sort the pieces out, as I usually do. This time it will be edges and the main colours, which is red, green, blue, possibly yellow. But then I'm just going to grab pieces, find out where they go, and then plonk them down. I'm not going to go, say, for just green and go for the Hulk, because I've done that before, and I got to admit I did struggle to find all the pieces because there's so much green. So this time I'm going to pick a piece, put it down on the board, and eventually they'll all join up. That's the plan anyway. Let's see how it goes. So I'm looking forward to a different way of doing a jigsaw. So straight away, this is a quality jigsaw, not what I'm used to. Maybe just because it's a more modern one. I've always bought old second-hand ones. So straight away, the box lid is actually made the same way that the jigsaw pieces are, with embossed linen impregnated into it. So the pitch you see is actually well, it's not as shiny. It's just like the jigsaw pieces themselves, but not quite as shiny. The finished jigsaw looks way better. But whilst it's such a class jigsaw, they've still put bits of the writing over the bleeding picture. That annoys me. I don't like that. Probably came through the microphone. So a bit that annoys me is that they've still put bits of writing over the picture, so there's tiny bits missed out. That's annoying, because there's plenty of room for it. And what else have we got on surrounding little bits of pictures, a little bit of pictures, not really telling us anything new on the sides. And on the back, got many languages, just saying that it's all quality stuff and mostly made from what do they call it? Let's get it right so we don't get sued. It is a high rate of it is made from recyclable material. There we go. When I first saw it, I thought it was 100%, so I like to get things right. The pieces, they feel nice, good quality, standard size as far as I know. The whole jigsaw is, I've got the size here. The whole jigsaw is 69 by 50 centimeters. In old money, that's 72.5 inches by 19 and it's too small. I need glasses. 23 1/5 by 19 2/3 of an inch. I'll stick to centimeters, it's more rounded. So that's 69 centimeters by 50 centimeters. The usual size, basically. Fits onto my jigsaw board nicely with a tiny little edge all the way around. So 1,000 piece, standard size pieces. All that just to get to that. It's a standard size piece. They feel good, feel very firm, and they've got this material embossed surface, linen embossed surface that I like. Kind of breaks up the shine a bit. I don't know if it does or not, but feels nice. They're strong, firm. The shine on it, a tiny bit shiny, but very acceptable. Very acceptable. I like it. So, enough talking. Let's get on with it. I was right to keep this jigsaw. I really enjoyed this again. As for it being an impossible jigsaw, not even close. this was a fun one to do. I really enjoyed it. Wasn't particularly hard. Could near enough find a place off the picture. Oh yeah, the picture and the jigsaw pieces are, the colours are identical. That was such a bonus when I was looking for where they go. I was very impressed with that. So yes, enjoyed this. Didn't find it particularly hard. Very enjoyable, and of course I found lots more characters, Marvel characters that I recognised. Oh yeah, that's Bullseye from such and such a film. Can't remember which film it was from now. Oh, it's from the old one. Yeah, Bullseye. Yeah, that's an old one anyway. I knew about him. But there were new characters. There were new characters I've seen. But there are still some that are still a mystery to me. So I'm hoping that hoping to see them on the TV within a year or two. That'd be nice. Oh, a piece about the jigsaw pieces. I've still got some stuck here. They go together very well. You'll know instantly when you put a wrong piece in. I haven't managed to put pieces in the wrong place, but you can't do a load and then move them around because, oops, not these two pieces. These are fitting extremely well, but as a rule, they fell to bits. I could only move 2 or 3 pieces at a time before it would just fall to bits, which is a shame. But they did fit together very well, so it's still great quality. I'm very impressed with this jigsaw, and I'll be keeping it again because I'm sure in a year or two's time I'll be doing it yet again. So if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on jigsaws. This is Phil saying ta-ra for now.